day 9, stroking her face with the mallet and hand feeding her. She seems alright with it, she's not too scared. So day 9 and a big step. Let me be brave. Not sure. Uh-oh, it's noisy outside. She's a bit nervous, but she's doing so well. And I'm doing well as well. Just trying with the finger. Not sure. Oops. We're both nervous. It's the first time trying to touch her face. Oops. This is day 9 and we're kind of both excited. She doesn't look aggressive, but oops. Okay, I'll just stroke her with a mallet for now. She's just getting used to my finger. I know it's a bit messy today with some ink. We just did a big step. Good girl. Good girl, Lana. Good girl. No. I'll keep you posted. So this big step just came on day 9. I'm so happy. She's doing so well and settling down. She was hand-fed today by my boys. My child who's 7 and the other one who's 16. She was alright with it. And they were both excited. But they all did so well. So I'll keep you posted.